Hello everybody, another job order, and this is a pharmaceutical company, and the job description for this is manufacturing, and this is located in Koshigaya Saitama. So again, this is a manufacturing company, a pharmaceutical company. We need 3 people for this. So the working time starts from 8:30 in the morning until 17:30, and the salary starts from 160,000 yen to 320,000 yen. For this job, since this is a pharmaceutical company, you have to be able to understand the instruction in Japanese. So if you are willing to apply for this job, you can call our office number at 0362068058, or you can also comment down below. If you are far from, by the way, our office is in Kanda Station, and we also have office in Nagoya and Osaka. So if you are far from one of our offices, you can also request for online interview. It is also available. So just let us know, comment down below. We conduct everyday job fair interview also in main office Kanda Station. So if you are willing to apply for this job, just let us know. Thank you.